Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's doing good. Excuse me. I pulled this image off the computer. I'm gonna change it up some. This isn't gonna be the only thing I put on here, but I've gotten a late start to the Kindred Spirits carving challenge. I believe it was a New Leaf, New Year, something to that extent. I gotta go back on the details to it, but again, I might be too late, I don't know, but I'm gonna do this piece. I've never done a relief carving like this. I started one a while back that's got a flower with some leaves on it. I might fall back to that and finish it, but I never finished it, so I figured I would just start something fresh. I'm gonna put this leaf on here, of course, and then I'm gonna carve down, and then I'm gonna add some detail to it around the outsides of it and everything. But this is just gonna be me tracing it out. I got some carbon paper underneath here, so I'm gonna take my little doodad tool. I'm gonna go around all that and get that image on, and then I'll add from there. But thank you.
In the shop where Grumpy thrives, turning wood and carving lives. New year, new leaf, he's begun, all for fun till the day is done. Chisel in hand, sparks do fly, shavings dance in a wood shop sky. Every cut, a song takes shape, smiling wide as projects escape. Burning bright, the fire sings, carving dreams with wooden wings. Sniffing the smoke as he hums along, together we craft this wood-burning song. Medicine smokes the day away, clearing thoughts, carving clay. In this space we're galaxy bound, wooden stars with every round. Burning bright, the fire sings, carving dreams with wooden wings. Sniffing the smoke as he hums along, together we craft this wood-burning song. Like, subscribe, join this game, wood and flame won't lose the name. Grumpy shop, hand in hand, crafting magic like a band.
And if you're still with me, I'm using my Dremel here, 4300 with the flex shaft, and I'm using my little spear burr and cut saw extreme flame burr. But removing the wood, bringing it down. Shortly after that, I'll go through with a wood burner, start burning everything in.
Grumpy's in the shop with a scowl on his face. New year, new leaf, he's taking up the race. Carving out dreams with every single trace. Wood chips flying like he's in a crazy chase. Burning lines on timber, making patterns real. Each stroke of the iron, you can feel the zeal. Whittling away worries, ripping off the seal. Smoke rises up like an artful ordeal. Let's make this a wood-burning song. Grumpy carving arts all night long. Patterns on the grain, never go wrong. Steamed up smiles where Grumpy belongs. Smoking medication while the day moves on. Lines glowing red until the break of dawn. Grumpy's got the beat, he's drawing on. Crafting brand new worlds where the spirit's strong. Chiseling his way through the heart of oak, creating tales, every twist a joke. creation spoke, layers of history with every smoke. Tools by his side, he's the carving king. With
Okay, just then I had to clean my tips. It wasn't burning that good, so I had to take everything out, clean it, and put it back in, made sure it was good and tight, and back to working good. Alright, thank you.
Grumpy shop, it's 2:30. Broken clocks and rusty screws, rattling shelves, dust in the air. Ain't no sunshine anywhere. Grumpy's face like carved in stone, growls with grit, hard overthrown. Old guitar, a string's been missed, playing riffs with a side of twist. Shake it up in Grumpy's den, rocking out no 9 to 10. Turn the knobs and let it wail. Grumpy shop forever scales. Neon lights, they flicker dim. Grumpy hums a shattered hymn. Wooden floors, they've seen it all. Nothing here but music's call. Echoes bouncing every nook, every corner's got a look. Rhythms rise with every drop, magic lies in Grumpy's shop. Shake it up in Grumpy's den, rocking out no 9 to 10. Turn the knobs and let it wail. Grumpy shop forever scales. Grumpy in the shop carving anew. New Year's leaf turns bright and true. Hands rough like bark, oh what a view. Wood-burning dreams come into view. Smoking wood smell fills the air, burning life without a care. Day moves along with a steady glare. In the shop he finds his flair. Chisel and hammer, they dance side by side. In the sawdust world he takes pride. Crafting wood, breeze in stride. Creating art where secrets hide. Smoking wood smell fills the air, burning life without a care. Day moves along with a steady glare. In the shop he finds his flair. Splinters fly, stories untold. Working hard, oh heart of gold. Grumpy's touch, so firm yet bold. In the shop his tale unfolds. Smoking wood smell fills the air, burning life without a care. Day moves along with a steady glare. In the shop he finds his flair. new year, new leaf. Carving out dreams with shaking belief. Chiseling edges, letting go of grief. Woodside smooth, feeling some relief. Sawdust flying, tails in the air. Carving shadows, whisper, do you dare? Nights and cedars, stories to share. On the lathe, hope is always fair. Let's make this a wood-burning song. With every cut, emotion strong. Sparks flying as day moves along. In Grumpy's world, nothing's ever wrong. Smoke trails between fingers so sure. Grumpy's breathing deep, feeling the cure. Wood becomes art on a whim that's pure. Crafted stories scroll through the door. Sunsets casting long soft beams. Carving thoughts tangled in dreams. Shavings fall silent as it seems. Grumpy smiles, heart in streams. Let's make this a wood-burning song. With every cut, emotion strong. Sparks flying as day moves along. In Grumpy's world, nothing's ever wrong.
Put a ceiling over it or nothing. I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. That way the world will slowly darken up over time on its own. I might do my initial boop, 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 and my date right there. Do I sign it on the front or the back? Thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe. I'm slowly climbing up with my numbers. Thank you. For everybody that watches, thank you.